Okay, this video will teach you how to do exchange the fingerprint PCB. But if you sometimes your log or like the fingerprint cannot use, sometimes is the phone motherboard there, the fingerprint, the wire already loose. You can try to open it up, then plug it back, or even you can try to change whole set of the fingerprint if necessary. So now I'm trying to dismiss all and reassembly all thing. So first you have to open it up all the screw. Screw here. You have to use the star one. This is the star one. The star one because the screw shape. But by following the screw shape is the star one. So you have to follow the screw. Use the proper screwdriver to open it up. Okay, I loose all the screw already. So open it up and pulling the wire out and put aside first. Okay, on this, sometimes the fingerprint cannot use is the wire already loose. Because sometimes if you drag the handle, the wire already like pull the wire out, and then straight away the wire pull out. So you can try plug in back and do the testing again, do the whole set testing again. If fingerprint can work, then should be okay already after you plug in. If cannot work, then you have to change all the fingerprint again. So the wire is already go through the handle side one, so you have to open the handle set. Behind there's two screws there also, so you need to open up. If only here screw loose already, then you just plug in back, then should be okay, no need to open. But if the whole fingerprint PCB got problem, then you need to open it up all of the fingerprint PCB lah. So now as you can see, this one already glue, but I need to open this one. Have to unglue and tear off the screw by using the minus one. Okay, then you can open it up first, like the tear off the glue, all the glue on the PCB lah. But you try to be careful because the wire is easily to broke one, so maybe you need to or you can use a clipper to try take out the wire. Okay, put it off. You can try to open like left, try to drag a bit, right, drag a bit, like you can move like this, then it's easy to come out. now it's easy come out already because I take out all the glue already and it come out already. So that you can try open the cover first. Use another plus sign one. Open it up first. Okay. Because sometimes installer will change the direction of the plate. That's why you will lose the fingerprint PCB. Okay. After that, after you drag out, then it should be like this. You can straight away pull out a bit, then followed by the hole. After that, if you wish to change your fingerprint PCB, then you can unscrew these two, then back out, then replace a new one. That should be okay. Now, if you want to put back, then you can put in back the hole again on the handle, and try to drag out first. Okay. Then this one, the cover, and this one hollow on top. And if you wish to change the direction, always, as you can see, there is a hollow here. Here is for the wire seat one. So every time you turn it, then the wire should be here. They should be here only. Always the wire should be around here, not around here. Because after you pull, then you will drag the wire pull out. So after that, you put in back first. Then after you adjust the correctly already, then if you put in the tube first, hollow on top, the cover on bottom, then pull the wire to a side. You can either this one, either this one. If here, then your cover should be here. Then if you here, then the hollow should be here, around here, something like this. So I wish to put it here, then put the hollow to be like this. Okay, then put back the hollow on the side, or the wire side, and then screw back. This one. Okay. Okay, and try make sure when you try to pull your handle, the wire is not easy to pull out and pull off like this. Okay, then after that, you can see there is a gap between them, so it's not easy to pull off the wire. After that, you can screw back the handle. Okay, for that, the last stage is do testing. You try to plug back the PCB wire first. Plug in correctly. And if you got the hot glue gun, you can use the hot glue gun to glue all the wire to make it not easy to pull out. So that the wire try to get inside. Like that. Then you try to do testing first, then scan, use the battery, then scan. If got function, then should be okay already. And if everything okay, then you just put it back your plate, should be okay already. That's all. Then the wire come below the whole one. Then adjust the rubber gasket. Then the thumb piece go through the plate. Okay, then Then the last thing is just screw everything back only. Screw everything back only. And after that, try do a testing first. Before you install on the door. Test. Okay. Okay, go function. Then should be okay. Then you can do all the setting after that. Remember, screw unloose and tighten out all the screw after that. That's all.